Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing hosting a discount coupon code deal. So if anyone wants to get an amazing discount or special link, what you have to do is simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount code link, you will be landing to a page like this where you can see as much as up to 85% discount. But if you use my code and a special link in the description of this video, then you can get as much as up to 95%, which is just amazing. Now in order to grab this, you can simply select the claim deal and you will be landed to all of these plans, and you can grab the discount on any of the plans. All of the plans are covered with 30 days money back guarantee. You can cancel anytime, and 24/7 support is included with all of the plans. So once you click on exclusive discount code link, and once you are landed over here, select your plan. I highly recommend you to do a thorough research of all the plan features function before you opt for anyone. And if you don't know about, simply select the view all features and do a thorough comparison of all the plan features functions. So guys, you have an idea, this is a one-time decision, so I want you guys to take the maximum time and do your research on this. If you ask my opinion, I recommend the premium and business plan. They have almost everything which you needed. So let's say we're going to the business plan. Now I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 95%. So 85% you are getting by default. And now once you click on it, again this is valid only for those people who use the code along with the discount link. So once you land it over here, hosting will offer you 4 billing periods: 48, 24, 12 and 1 month. My recommendation of for the 48 months, so you can save the maximum amount of money, because these prices won't appear again. Take the maximum out of it. So for the 48 months, so you see you are getting 2 free domain, 2 or 3 months extra free with the hosting, and now secure your free domain for the first year with a special discount code link. So let's say I'm going to write this again. This is an example only, and you can also grab your domain later on from your hosting H panel control panel. Let's say I'm going with this. Any domain is valid free only for the first year, so or for the period 1 year, so you can save the maximum amount of money. So you see over here that it is being loaded over here. Now on the right side you may see around over here your 48 months from 911 to 143, so 85% discount over here, plus you're getting $100 free, 3 extra months free domain. And now select the have a coupon code and write this amazing discount coupon code. You can find this code in the description of this video along with the special discount link. So apply this code right now over here, and once you apply this code, you're going to see that your price got a further discount. Now there is another coupon code as well. You can use either of the coupon code to get this amazing discount at Hostinger. So I'm using the other coupon code right now, and you can see my price got a further discount. So 85%, then free daily backup, 3 extra months, free domain, and 10% additional, more than 95% off with this code, and a special discount link obviously, which is mentioned in the description of this video. All of the plans come with 30 days money back guarantee. Now move on to the continue to the last part, and that is doing your payment at Hostinger, which is very essential. And now let's wait for the last part. You may see over here, before you write anything over here, see your order summary is everything is fine, everything is loaded as per your expectation. After this, write your billing details over here. Once you write your billing details over here, simply select the continue over here and move on to the last part. And the last part is selecting payment methods. Hostinger offer you variety of payment methods, guys. You can pay via card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, other, and CoinGate. So guys, you have variety of payment methods to choose. You can choose any as per convenience, what is easy for you. So write your credit card details and simply select the submit payment, and within few minutes you're going to get an email from Hosting with all of your account details. So just for a revision, make sure to click on the link in the description, use either of the code as I have told you in this video, and enjoy your hosting with an amazing coupon code. Right now this is the best time because the new year deals are still valid and they are now valid for only for the limited time. So grab this amazing code and a link in the description to get started. Good luck with the hosting. Good luck.